All gas appliances must be installed by a competent person in accordance to the gas safety and use regulations. This installation video is a visualization tool for demonstration purposes only, and as such, all instructions included in the EHC EcoSave installation manual must be observed when installing the EcoSave boiler. Before beginning, remove the boiler and parts from the box and check everything is present and correct. In addition to the boiler, there should be an installation manual, warranty card, mounting bracket, fixings, valves, and boiler template. Place the template on the wall and mark the fixing positions. Remember to leave the recommended clearance shown on the template and installation manual. Mark the holes on the wall, drill, plug, and insert the fixings. Care should be taken at this stage to ensure that the boiler and flue positions meet current regulations. Carefully fit the boiler mounting plate. Then gently lift the boiler and position on the mounting plate hooks. Be sure to secure the boiler using the bottom fixing points. Boiler connections. Take extra care with the gas isolation valve. The washer type is different from the others and is identified by its colour, which is blue. Connecting valves. Ensure you use the proper washer for each valve. Please note, valves shown in this installation video may change across the EcoSave boiler range. Boiler connections are as shown. Flow. Return. PRV. Gas. Condensate. Now fit the condensate pipe to the boiler using the retaining clip supplied. Hot water outlet. Cold water supply. Please note the boiler has an inbuilt magnetic filter which will help protect the boiler's internal components. The boiler is also supplied with a filling loop. We recommend that it's connected between the cold main and return pipework. The concentric horizontal flue system has been used in this installation video. Other flue types are available for different applications if required. When fully installed, the flue must protrude 140 mm from the outside wall to the end of the terminal. Connect the flue to the boiler using the rubber washer, connecting adapter and screws supplied. There's also an internal adapter which is used to connect the flue to the boiler's internal exhaust. Ensure the correct position and alignment of all flue seals and internal adapters. Please refer to the installation manual for full details. Finally, connect the flue bend to the adapter connections on the boiler. There's a rubber seal that's used to connect both parts at this stage, securing with the metal band provided. Now that we have completed the plumbing and flue connections, we can now start the electrical and external control connections. The power and external connections are routed through the access points on the base of the boiler here. Please remove the 3 screws on the underside of the control panel as shown. Then remove one screw to the right of the control panel. Now remove the electrical connection cover. Route the cable through the grommets and connect as shown. The power supply to the boiler must be connected to a 3 amp fused spur. If you have the optional external boiler control interface, this is connected as shown. If you have the optional weather compensation interface, this is connected as shown. Now that all electrical connections have been completed, raise the control panel and secure the 4 fixing screws as shown. First, energise the boiler. The normal operating pressure of the boiler is 1.5 bar. However, for commissioning purposes, pressurise the system to 2 bar. During this process, the boiler will show an error of EO2, indicating low pressure. Simply press the reset button, followed by the mode key. This will show the system pressure. During this filling process, add the cleansing agent. At this point, bleed all radiators, boiler pump, and ensure the automatic air vent is open. Before starting, ensure that the installation pipework is installed as per current regulations and standards. Please ensure purging and gas soundness tests have been carried out at this stage. All boilers are factory set and require no further adjustment. However, it is a requirement to check the inlet and working pressure of the boiler. Set the boiler to maximum output. Ensure the system is cold when carrying out this procedure. To set the boiler to maximum, select dip switch number 2 on the front control panel as shown. Now set the external controls to call for heat. This will fire the boiler at full output. At this stage, it's recommended that the minimum working pressure is 17 millibar for natural gas. Now check the CO2 readings. This can be measured at the flue as shown. For further reference, this table can be found in the installation manual. If you find that your readings are out with the stated parameters, check the boiler's gas-to-air ratio. The gas-to-air ratio can be checked by referring to the installation instructions. Set the boiler to maximum output. We would like to thank you for taking time to view this installation movie and hope that it will prove to be helpful with your future installations of the EcoSave boiler. If you require any further information, please visit our website or contact us on 01698 820 533.